Hi, my name is Isabel. Today I'm very excited to share with you my experience as a science and robotics teacher. I started designing and building things since I was a little girl. Drawings, putting pieces of metal together to build a machine. I was always so curious about how the technology works. This was my inspiration to pursue my degree in pedagogy and education. So my opportunity came when in Mexico the STEM programs were implemented in every school. I wrote curricula combining robotics and science, adding the learning styles, giving every student a valuable opportunity of getting intellectual potential. So students coming to my biology class were learning concepts like camouflage. So why, if we learn a little bit of coding, wiring, digital design, so we can mix colors using RGBs, LEDs? Or going to physics to learn about temperature scales, angles, and applying these concepts in robotics to build a thermometer or the hands, legs of a robot. My passion as an educator is to teach the real application of what is seen in class, transforming an idea, a diagram, a thought into a useful device that will help the community to work in teams to develop a project. My dream is to take my experience and my expertise to every school in the world, teaching the basic concepts of engineering to the youngest and motivate them to pursue their dreams. Growing up in a small town, having a father with a background in agriculture, had the opportunity to learn a lot about environmental science that years later I applied in my science and robotic courses. My background opened the door to explore the building of innovative projects for science fair, engineering contests, and wanting to win science national awards. So I started working by arranging my students in teams and their learning styles, assigning them a specific task in which they were good at. Coders, designers, mediators. To keep students engaged during the science course, I show them real application of the concepts they were seeing in class, asking what they could do better or different. This gave a brainstorm of many ideas that we immediately put into action. Many engineering designs for biology, for chemistry, physics, many solutions for environmental problems using robotics, using programming. Our first middle school science fair was a success. Very advanced, complex projects, very well explained, applied science to every engineering project. This led them to start participating at state contests, winning 3 years in a row, followed by a national science and engineering contest that I had the honor to be part of. Carla Elizondo, my 8th grade student, learned Arduino in my robotics class and asked me to help her to develop a gas sensor and a digital thermometer for controlled environments. Project that took us 1 year to prepare and winning first place national in 2018. Many of my students are already engineers or studying an engineering profession. They are applying the concepts they saw and understood in our classes. Project-based learning is a deep way to understand how the world works. What am I doing today? So now I'm not in a classroom, but I have written a book, which is a curriculum right here. And in here is all the experience that I got during the years that I was teaching robotics and science. So today I'm traveling around the country, training teachers, working with students, preparing them to use our curriculum in the classroom. I'm also working in my second book, which is Internet of Things. Some examples I can give you are Siri, Alexa, Apple Watch. So we teach students the basic or how to build prototypes in which these programs are used.